USN 62, give USN first, then Triyash, give USN. Lavanya K, USN first, then your name. How many times you have to repeat? What is this? 6273, give USN first, then name. Then Shriyarsh, give name, sorry, give USN. In yesterday's class, we were discussing applications of calculus of variation. So this we started. Prove that the shortest distance between 2 points in a plane is along the straight line joining them. Or they can also ask like this. Prove that the geodesics on a plane are straight line. Okay. So this is very important. First thing what we have to do, let y equal to y of x be a curve joining 2 points. So yesterday I draw the diagram and I showed, you know that the arc length, to find the arc length, this is the formula. This is formula to find arc length. Next, integration x1 to x2 root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. How this will come? If I draw this diagram xy plane, this is y axis, this is x axis. If I take a curve and if this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is s. S means arc length. Okay, that is nothing but root of 1 plus dy by dx x whole square. This is delta x, this is delta y. If you want, this means if you want this length means delta y by delta x, limit delta x tends to 0, you know this. So that will give dy by dx, dy by dx. ds by dx, we will use dx by dx in three problems. So ds by dx, again this is the formula. ds by dx is root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is the formula. Okay, ds by dx is root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This formula you have to remember. S equal to sum of all the arc lengths, sum of small arc lengths. Then ds by dx is root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This formula, this is the formula for ds by dx. ds by dx. You have to remember this. We'll use this ds by dx in 2-3 problems. That's why ds by dx equal to root of Just a minute. So ds by dx equal to root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Then after that, we can write this dy by dx as y dash. Okay, x1 to x2 root of 1 plus y dash square dy by dx. Now, after this, we need to find minimum of this. Length should be minimum. That's what we are discussing. We are joining 2 points. We are joining P to Q. So what will be the shortest distance? To find that, we need to minimize this. This is the functional. So as this is the functional, I will write f of 1 root of 1 plus y dash square as f of x comma y dash. Okay, f of x comma y dash equal to root of 1 plus y dash square. Now what is the Euler's equation? Dou f by dou y minus d by dx equal to dou f by dou y dash equal to 0. Why we are taking Euler's equation? We need to minimize this. So condition to minimize this is Euler's equation. That's why. What is dou f by dou y? We don't have y here, so therefore 0. Then d by dx of dou f by dou y dash. So what is derivative of this partially with respect to y dash? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root 1 plus y dash square. Again, derivative of y dash square is 2y dash. 2 will get cancelled. Next, d by dx of y dash by root of 1 plus y dash square, because multiply whole thing by minus. Next, if you differentiate this using u by v rule, you're going to get this much. Okay. Then cross multiply. What they did here is they took this problem. You can use uv rule. You can use u by v rule, or you can use uv rule. If you want to use uv rule, take u as y dash, take u as y dash, then v as 1 by root of 1 plus y dash square. Okay, so uv dash plus u dash v. You can use that also. That will give the correct answer. That will also give the correct answer. Now cross multiply this. Before cross multiplying, cancel out this, multiply this and this. So this and this will get cancelled. Whole divided by this will happen. So cross multiply means this will become 0. Okay, this much will be left. Now take out y double dash, y dash, y double dash common. If you take y double dash common, this will be 1 plus y dash square minus y dash square. Again, this y dash square and y dash square will get cancelled because this plus this minus. So y double dash equal to 0. Now integrate twice. If you integrate twice, that will become y equal to c1x plus c2. which is a straight line. Okay, this is how, if you get this one, it is very easy. Only thing is you have to remember what is ds by dx. ds by dx is this. See once again, if you have any doubts. No doubts. UV rule. Sir, can you explain the differentiation by UV rule again? I will explain. This one, this one is U. Where to write? D by dx of y dash into 1 by root of 1 plus y dash square. This we have. This is U, this is V. Okay, uv dash. Uv dash means y dash d by dx of, or they have took this. I will keep this as it is. What they have done? Y double dash 1 plus y dash square. Do one thing, apply u by v rule only. Don't get confused. Apply u by v rule only. U by v. So denominator whole square. 1 plus y dash one plus y dash square whole square divided by 1 plus y dash square root of 1 plus y dash square into y double dash minus y dash derivative of this 1 by 2 root 1 plus y dash square into 2 y1 y dash y double dash equal to 0. Multiply this side, that will become 0. This much is left, that one it is written here. This step they have skipped. Okay, this step they have skipped, so they have written here. Then to solve this, take LCM. 2 will get cancelled. LCM is 1 by root of 1 plus y dash square. Then cross multiply this to this, y double dash 1 plus y dash square it will be. Here it will be y dash square y double dash. So again cross multiply this side, that will become 0. Then after this Take y double dash common. Take y double dash common. Here 1 plus y dash square minus y dash square. This y dash square will get cancelled with this y dash square. Only y double dash will be left. So that is nothing but d square y by dx square. Okay, integrate twice. This is the answer. Okay, next one. We'll go to next problem. Find the geodesic on a surface given that the arc length on the surface is s equal to root of, sorry, integration of x1 to x2 root of x into 1 plus y dash square dx. Geodesic on a surface they are asking. On a surface. So if this is the surface, then what is the, so I told geo is nothing but earth. Shortest distance between any 2 points on earth's surface. This is one point. I will take this is another point. Let this be P, P of x1 comma y1, then this one q of x2 comma y2. Okay, we need to find shortest distance between these 2 points. So earth's surface means we can't dig a tunnel and we can't tell. Okay, earth's surface, what is the shortest distance? Parabola, we told this. Okay, so first thing is we need to take arc length. What is arc length of this? Arc length formula, complete arc length is, this is the formula. To find arc length, this is the formula. There we had only this much. Here, because it is on the surface, x will be added. This x will be multiplied. Okay, x will be extra because of we are taking on the earth surface. Okay, now after this everything will be same. Take this function as f of x comma y dash. Now here, if it is independent of y, then directly we can write this formula. Y, what is dou f by dou y dash? 0 only. Dou f by dou y dash 0 means, sorry, dy is 0 means only this much will be left here in Euler's equation. Next, integrate. Integrate means dou f by dou y dash equal to constant. Now write dou f by dou y dash. Okay, instead of differentiating and integrating, integrate, then so write dou f by dou y dash. Why? We can do that because we need to eliminate this d by dx. To eliminate d by dx, just integrate with respect to x. So dou f by dou y dash equal to c. Find out dou f by dou y dash. 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus y dash square into x into 2y dash. Why? Because this is partial derivative. We need not apply again UV rule for this. We are doing partial differentiation. Next, we can write this x as root x into root x. Okay, this x can be written as root x into y dash divided by root x into root of 1 plus y dash square. This root x will get cancelled, is equal to c. Squaring on both sides, root will get cancelled, root x y dash square c square 1 plus y dash square. Then take only y dash square one side, all other terms, that is constants, other side. So you will get this much, y dash equal to c by root of x minus c square. Now I need y, integrate. So what is integration of this? 2c root of x minus c square plus c1. Y minus c1 square. Take this y1 to this side. Transpose that c1 to this side. Then square. Okay. This is the answer. Yes, parabola equation. So this is equation for parabola. Required geodesic, which is a parabola. Understood that? If you have any doubts, see once again and ask. Understood. Second problem. These two problems in in these two they will ask one. Pakka they will ask one. In these two, either they will ask on a plane surface, or they will ask. Sorry, they will ask on a plane or on a earth surface. Next, prove that the catenary in, is the curve which, when rotated about a line, generated line x-axis generated a surface of minimum area. We have the expression for rotation of about the x-axis. Okay, this is also an important problem. Here we have many, we have just 5 to 6 problems. In that they will ask two. So prove that the catenary is the curve which when rotated about the line x-axis. In x-axis, if you have a line, if you rotate that, this is the y-axis, x-axis. If you have a line, then rotated like this, rotated about the x-axis. Okay, like this we need to rotate. Rotation of this. How to draw that? Okay, if you any curve, here you have a curve, something like this, prove that the catenary about the a line given. So complete rotation of this axis. Along this means we will completely rotate this. Okay, I am not able to write here. We will rotate this. So rotate means one complete rotation means full round it will come. Round means 2, 2 pi, one full circle. One full circle means if you start from here, then if you come back to that place, for example, I will take this, I will start rotating this, for example, this is a stick. I will start rotating this. It will rotate like this, like this, like this. It will come back to this. Actually, this will become a circle. Okay. Similarly, for this, rotate this, come back to this line only. Not like this. Not like this. Along x-axis means along this becomes center. This becomes center. Like this, you have to rotate. So that we need to prove as a catenary. Surface area. This is the surface area. Formula for surface area is y 2 pi. I told full circle means 2 pi. Integration each part in y. So that's why integration. Sum of each parts of y. Integration 2 pi y ds. The curve is rotated about the x-axis. Curve is rotated about the x-axis. That's why x1 to x2 integration x1 to x2 2 pi y ds dx into dx. This is with along x-axis means dx will come. Since ds is there, so do you write ds by dx into dx. So ds by dx I told with this one will use many times. Ds by dx equal to root of 1 plus y dash square. Next, since 2 pi is a constant, we can, okay, when 2 pi is constant, just we can leave that. F of x comma y dash, you can just leave. If you write also, no problem, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen if you write that also. We can keep that as outside, don't consider in f of x comma y dash. Here we don't have x. Okay, if it is, if doesn't have x, then Euler's formula can be rewritten in this form. So this derivation part is not there. Actually, before it was there, now they removed. How this equal to, how this derivation is will come when it is independent. Okay, it is convenient when it is independent of x. Euler's formula you can write like this: f minus y dash dou f by dou y dash. f minus y dash dou f by dou y dash equal to constant. What is f? This is f minus y dash as it is. Dou f by dou y dash means derivative of f partially with respect to y dash. It is similar to the previous one from here. From here, similar to this one, almost similar. Function will change little bit, but it is similar to that. Okay, but cross multiply. Sorry, before that, take LCM. Take LCM, then cross multiply. Okay, y into 1 is y into y dash square is y dash square minus y dash square. That one will cancel, this one will cancel out with this after multiplication. Only y will be left. Root of 1 plus y dash square is equal to c. Now square both sides, cross multiply to this side, then square equal to c square into 1 plus y dash square, y square equal to, I need y dash. Some error is there in this. This is y dash square. This is y dash square. Keep only y dash square one side, all other terms another side. C square plus c square y dash square. Transpose that c square this side. Then y dash square will be y square minus c square by c square. Now y dash is nothing but dy by dx. So that is equal to root of y square minus c square by c. Now variable separable method. Variable separable method means dy by root of y square minus c square, then dx by c. So integration of dy by root of y square minus c square, 1 by c as it is, integration of dx plus k. So cos, this integration of this is cos hyperbolic, cos inverse hyperbolic y by c is equal to x by c plus k. Y equal to c cos hyperbolic x plus a by c, where in place of kc we'll write a. So this equation, it is called catenary. Okay, this equation of this is called as catenary. See, once again, if we have any doubts, we can ask. Class. A is a constant.
పంపించిన చూడు
Somebody was asking, what is A? If you integrate, sorry, if you, after integration, you will get this much. You cross multiply. You cross multiply, see this side. This will be cos. Actually, this is H will be there. Here H will be there. Here H will be there. Cross multiply this C this side, then take LCM here. X plus KC. K is also constant, C is also constant. That's why I will write yes. If you keep like this also, no problem. Just cross multiply this side. Keep, if you keep like this also, no problem. But if you take LCM, then KC by C. Okay. A value is just two constants multiplication. So integration of 1 by square root of 1 by square root of y square minus c square. Log y plus next problem. Find the geodesic on a surface given that the arc length on the surface is s equal to x naught to x1 x into 1 plus y dash square. This is very similar to that first two problems. Okay, there we had square root. Here we don't have square root also. Okay, take this as f, then this is Euler's equation. So since we don't have y in this, so this term will be 0. It will reduce to like this. Then integrate with respect to x, dx by dx will get cancelled. After that, dou f by dou y dash is x into 2y dash, 2xy dash. Then keep d by dx one, dy by dx one side, all other terms another side. Integrate, you will get this much. Okay, hanging cable problem we'll do tomorrow. Wait, don't log out. Who is this 3030 CA Inter SR and Lokesh? If you don't give USN, I won't take attendance. That's it. How can I understand this your code words? Who is this? Message me. Otherwise, I can't give attendance for you. Many times I told give USN then your name. Okay, it's already time. You can log out. That person, if you give message me that USN, your